Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So again, as we're leading into Jerome Powell this Friday, as we have CPI coming out last Wednesday, just below expectation, again at 4.9. Expectation was at 5%, so again, just below. And then we had Kashkari mentioning today that inflation is too high. We had a pullback, and then we had a bounce back. And now we sit within a symmetric triangle here, looking to see if we will continue to respect this resistance to the upside to possibly continue on lower, or if we will possibly continue to hold this support, possibly break higher. What exactly would be the play here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news as early as you're going to find it, any major volatile movers, those key levels that you want to be watching, or any major data sets that is very important to the market, go to instables.com in the description below. For example, here with WISA, we mentioned pre-market rejection at 243, a very key resistance that we could not break above here. We were watching this one early pre-market. We did continue on pre-market, but we were looking for that break out the gate, and that's exactly what happened here, breaking up to $2.68 from $2.43. Again, a very nice breakout that we had against the market out the gate. This is one of many major movers that we mentioned throughout the week. Last week, we had multiple 100% runners on FDA news from pre-market. Again, looking for those major volatile movers is what I do for you guys every single day in the Instabills room. Again, go to instabills.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective, looking at our daily candle structure, as you guys can see, we are respecting our 10 and our 21 currently. We are not dropping below our 10 while our 10 is crossing below our 21. So currently we are looking to see if we will either continue to respect our 10 while we cross back above our 21, or if we will possibly get a red candle going to tomorrow, which again could be that confirmation on the hourly chart that we would be looking for. Again, watching our hourly chart, and again, that 403 level that we have been talking about has been very key. Again, as we look at our symmetric triangle here, continuing to reject resistance to the upside here, looking to see if we will continue on with that rejection, in my opinion, will be what we're looking out for. If we happen to drop below 410, in my opinion, below 412 would possibly be that area that we would be looking for if we happen to continue on lower, and then have a bounce. In my opinion, that 412 level would be that possible bearish case scenario below 410 that we would be looking for. So again, that is the play to the downside. As far as to the upside, again, we have a lot of resistance that we've been getting rejected at. We would need proof of concept, in my opinion, even if we did continue on above our symmetric triangle here. We do need proof of concept, making sure that we do not get a false break. And again, that could be that continuation on that symmetric triangle to the downside. So again, as we're leading into Powell, we are very cautious. This could be, again, any possible bearish case scenario from here. Now, again, if we're looking for bullish momentum, overall, what we're looking for here is to get that proof of concept above our prior balance high. And the reason why is because we don't have exactly as much room to run to the upside, as you guys can see. If we do continue on higher, we do have resistance. So we do want that proof of concept above our prior balance high here. So again, a spike with that proof of concept after this spike, for that continuation on that proof of concept would be what we're looking for. Again, this is the play here. This would be that bullish case scenario. From here, we are cautious. Again, on the weekly chart, we do have a closed red candle, and we do have our 10-weekly moving average pointing up, and we did not have this happen last week. We also have our 50-weekly moving average pointing down. So again, making sure that we continue to respect our 10-weekly moving average is what we will continue to watch out for. And again, this Friday with Powell, if we happen to have a major spike, again, we do have resistance coming in at 418. This will be the watch. Will we possibly consolidate above our prior balance high? Will be the watch. Again, if you're looking for that continuation on momentum. And again, the reason why we have been looking for that possible momentum is because we have been crossing with our EMA lines above the median MACD. We have been getting decreases in buy pressure on our weekly chart. So we are looking for that increase in buy pressure to confirm that we are going to continue on with momentum. Until that does happen, we are cautious, in my opinion, with that resistance at 418. So again, keep that in mind. Our weekly MACD, in my opinion, shows us that we are cautious for this 418 level. Making sure we get that proof of concept above this 418 level will be the play here. So to recap on our intraday perspective, what I would be looking for here is to see if we either continue to reject our resistance to the upside here that we have been getting rejected from, or if we possibly continue to break higher here. But in my opinion, again, after getting rejected at resistance recently, again, from our prior balance high, what I would be looking for is to make sure that we do get that continuation on momentum above that prior balance high to make sure we do not continue on with that rejection. So again, in my opinion, looking to see if we possibly do get consolidation. If we possibly get any possible bearish case scenario, retest our resistance and then possibly continue on lower from there. We'll see exactly what happens. Now, again, with that said, again, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, as early as you're going to find it, again, we mentioned LMFA earnings this morning, pre-market up 1,100% in annual earnings, and we continued on in pre-market above 90 cents, continued on all the way up to $1.38 on the day. Again, this was a major volatile mover that we mentioned in the instabills room very early in pre-market. These are the type of major volatile movers that we mentioned in the instabills room. Again, if you guys are not reading your charts, I definitely would say it's probably not the place for you, but I definitely would say if you're somewhat understanding of the psychology of what these charts are doing, what exactly you're looking for volume, simple confirmation, then this is probably the best place for you. Again, go to instabills.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instabills, I appreciate everybody that has been supporting the channel every single day. I'm going to go over some more videos after this. I wanted to go over what exact confirmation AI would be looking for. Again, a lot of momentum on AI with possible gaps that does need consolidation. I'm going to go over exactly what that means in the next video and a couple other videos possibly. Again, check out these videos after if you guys can support those videos. I appreciate it. But again, regardless, I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting the channel every single day. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.